In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions on how to effectively remove the adware, which is called VibeProfile. First of all, I want to let you know that this particular adware attacks Mac computers only, and it attacks Mac browsers only: Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers. Now, mainly Safari is being attacked by this adware. VibeProfile adware is from the adload family of malware infections. This particular adware is often spread through fake software update alerts, fake Adobe Flash Player update alerts, and through other deceptive techniques. VibeProfile adware, once installed, starts displaying the great number of misleading pop-up advertisements that will keep attacking the screen in the right part of the screen and in some other parts too. It may depend on various factors where exactly these ads are located. But these ads by VibeProfile are often displayed on top of other content, which prevents you from properly perceiving this content. Ads by VibeProfile adware can be multiple and obviously very annoying. What you should do is check your available Mac applications, look for this VibeProfile, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. I would also recommend that you additionally research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, but in my case you can see it's in premium. The trial mode has got 3 free features: disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. And even these 3 free features will help you to essentially improve the general performance of your computer. Click on Start Combo Scan. In your case, after you download Combo Cleaner, initially the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. So then the scanning will begin, and you will see the report about the threats that were found on your computer. Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to identifying threats like adware, ransomware, browser hijackers, potentially unwanted applications, pop-ups, and so on. So, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all these infections which were revealed on the system. You'll be able to know the locations of threats, and of course, certain threats can always be removed manually. However, I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.